Hello everyone. Our top story today. Google announced it will phase out support for Universal Analytics, UA, to make room for the company's new Google Analytics 4 product. Starting on July 1st, 2023, Google's Universal Analytics product will stop processing data. For customers using 360 Universal Analytics, support will end on October 1st, 2023. Now, for other industry-related news, Google Ads introduced new changes to automated extensions, and Google Ads to replace Smart Shopping and local campaigns with Performance Max. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our blog at adcore.com for a full breakdown of today's top stories.